It'll hold you, I promise.
I understand, but it feels so sketchy.
It's gonna be very awkward at first.
I hate.
Come on, let's go.
I hate. I'm gonna hurt myself. Scary! So scared!
It's pretty terrifying. I hate this.
He said I hate this.
No, put your foot on this.
It feels so sketchy.
It'll hold you, I promise.
I understand, but it feels so sketchy.
It's gonna be very awkward at first.
I hate.
Come on, let's go.
I hate.
Okay, we just goes and hops on his Grom. Like, okay.
Don't worry, we'll get a third person point of view. I'm gonna hurt myself. Probably not, but I'm gonna be very disappointed.
So fucking scary!
fall over, it's gonna fucking.
Fuck!
But you see, you have to help it do it.
Yeah.
Because on a big bike, the motor's there. Grom has no motor, so you gotta force it. Make
So
it big.
scary. There you go. You can have that back. Fuck.
Listen to my motor whenever I go. You'll see.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
See that? See how I got a higher under an RPS first?
Terror. So scary. Yeah. There's that rev limiter.
Right before I hit the ground, when I drop it back, I fucking catch myself every time. It's so scary.
It's all fucking scary, man. It's fucking terrifying. I hate this.
He said, I hate this.